Welcome back everyone to Generate.net. In this video I'm going to demonstrate again the no-code AI Chrome extension maker. I think it's highly underrated. It's amazing. You can create a Chrome extension on the fly, whatever you need it to do, AI related, it will do for you. So for example, I'm just going to upload a video which explains the Chrome extension maker, which is this video over here.
The Chrome extension we created in under 5 seconds.
Where is it? I think it's this one here. This explains the Chrome extension maker.
Okay, everyone. For everyone who's
and then video, I'm actually gonna make a video. The name of this video is gonna be
this Chrome extension replaces all
explanation
of Chrome extensions. It's a
of the Chrome of the AI Chrome extension maker.
Control over the AI experience in your browser.
Basically,
so YouTube,
what it does, it creates AI Chrome extensions.
For Wikipedia, you can summarize your rewrite
in under
your blog post
10 seconds, yeah? So that's going to be the title of the video. Now, if I click on this Chrome extension, which is the one I'm actually talking about, it's going to create a description for the video that's based on this title. And the reason why is because that's what we did in the last video, which I highly recommend you watch. So here we are. In this video, we delve into fascinating realm of AI Chrome extension creation. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking AI Chrome extension maker, a tool that enables users to effortlessly develop powerful extension in a matter of seconds. So let's copy that and paste that into here. Now I need to create some tags for this video, and so I'm going to go down to the bottom here and then just make sure that I highlight this text. So this is the text I want to use to create the tags. Once it's highlighted, I click the Chrome extension maker. And then I don't really want to use this. This is the description maker. And here's a tags generator. And then I click the magic wand. And after this, I'm going to demonstrate an example of how this is done. So here we are. This is the tags. And then I copy that and paste that into here. And I finished my work for the day. But before I leave you, I want to show you how I did this. I showed you this in a previous video, but I think the more times you see this, the more you're going to find this useful. So let's say I wanted some text summarized. So I highlight the text that I want summarized, and then I click on the Chrome extension maker, which is this button here, which you can download on Generate.net, by the way. And then this is just the automation. I don't need that. And then to create a new Chrome extension, you go to the plus button down here, and then name your extension, Summarizer. And then you open up this and create a prompt for the summarizer. Please summarize a formal business report based on the input. I'm just going to change that to please summarize the input text and click create your summarizer. Now in a matter of seconds, another app will be added over here, as you can see. Then you click on it and soon it will also have a logo. And as you can see, the text is already pasted over here in this box. All I need to do is click this magic wand and then I have my summary just like that. If you want to automate this, you could do so as well, just by clicking the 3 magic wands here and make it run on click. But remember, you might have more than one automation per page, but now this is going to be working perfectly. Every time I click this Chrome extension, it will summarize any text that's highlighted, and it's as simple as that. It might take you a few minutes to get the hang of it, but once you test it, you'll see it's literally unbelievable how amazing this could actually be for you. You could literally have a summarizer app created, or any type of app that you might ever need for AI created on the spot using AI. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.